This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. Yeah. Yes, yesterday class we are talking about the what the model name is Lombok, right? Yes, I think we discussed about the four class about the Lombok. Let me give the two more sessions about that. It's not like two more sessions, like the points. I'm dividing the data into multiple videos, right? Yeah. Yes, last class what we completed. Tell me. Last video we discussed about the required argument constructor, right? Required argument constructor means what? Tell me guys, last class what we done? First class we talk about the setters and getters. Second class we are discussing about yeah. First class we are talking about what am I? Setters getters. Second class all argument constructor, two string, no argument constructor, right? Because we use it all data, right? I think third class we discussed about the equals and hash code. Equals and hash code means about the hash set. Hash set data is what? Inside a duplicated. If you don't want the data, you can go override which method ma equals and hash code. Next one required argument constructor no non null. Required argument constructor means the constructor is for the mandatory values. What is the meaning of mandatory values means the final values. But some cases mandatory values you are passing nulls. But mandatory values passing null is good or not good? Not good. That's what we need to tell me guys. That's what we need to okay make the non null right, make the non null exactly. So today class let me go on a small point. One is the cleanup annotation in the Lombok. Yes, cleanup annotation, at the rate cleanup annotation and at the rate sneaky throws, sneaky throws, uh, SNEKYTHROWS, three words. Sneaky throws. No. So what is the sneaky throws means? We have some checked exceptions, right? Generally, we have some checked exception. Generally, checked exceptions means we need to use the try catch blocks and throws keyword, right? Yes, try catch blocks and what am throws keyword. Yes, Lombok, what the example you done? This one, right? A book class, a book client, employee class, a employee client, product class, a product client. Some test class is there. Fine. Yes, let me take one example about the sneaky throws. So new, I want to take the class. Yeah, you can take the test one class, no problem. Click on what am main method, click on finish. Because here, let me go for the file handling. In file handling, we can see like file not found exception, IO exception like that, right? Yeah, let me write the file input stream class. So I'm not doing the reading operations here. Just I'm making like file input stream class. Generally, file input stream equal to new file input stream. File input stream purpose is what to read the data. abc.txt file. File output stream purpose is not file input stream. Generally, file input stream, file output stream for the image purpose. For the text file purpose, what we are going for the file reader. Reader equal to, tell me guys, new file reader, right? Yeah, new file reader. I want to read the data from what abc.txt file. Next one is what file writer. File writer equal to new file writer. I want to write the data to xyz.txt file, right? Exactly. That is data, but it's throwing exception. Add throws declaration we are using. Add throws declaration, file not found exception. Add throws declaration, IO exception. Because file not found exception is a child class, IO exception is a parent class. That's what initially it is showing the which exception, file not found exception. When you go for this one, place the cursor IO exception. Then what happened here? File not found exception is a child class of IO exception. That's what if you place the code here, add throws declaration, then IO exception is generated, right? Yeah. Okay, generally, this is a channel creation. Here I'm using throws keyword, right? Exactly. Number one. And number two, after reading and writing operation done, assume like you done some operations. Then we need to close the reader, right? Reader dot close. See guys, for example, if we didn't close okay, see guys, we get the issue here. Just place the cursor. It's saying that the variable is what? Reader is not used. Not used and never closed also. See, for example, reader dot what? Read method. Now I used it. Then you place the cursor here. Yeah. See guys, first of all, before this one, this point is bit important here. Before this one, it's showing error is what, tell me? Local variable reader is used or not used? Observe carefully. Now I'm trying to use that. How can I use something like reader dot read method? Some I'm reading the data. Some I'm reading the data. Previously it is saying radar is not user, right? Now if we place the cursor, radar is not user, radar is never closed up. Radar is what? Never closed. I think you got the clarity, right? It's saying that radar is never closed up. Radar is never closed. That's what we need to what? Tell me, we need to close it, right? We need to close it means what? Radar dot what am I? Close. Radar dot close. Radar dot what am I? Close. Radar dot close one. Radar dot close, right? That's the point. Guys, now any problems are there? No problems. Generally, we create the channel, we close the channel. Here you can do some operation. What are the operations you need? But I am not doing any operations as of now. Okay, for me, operation is not important, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is example. This is example with Lombok, without Lombok, without Lombok. This is example without Lombok. Example without Lombok. Without Lombok, what is the point here? We use throws keyword number one, and we need to close it. We need to close. To overcome these two things, instead of using these throw keywords multiple times, like writing the throws multiple exceptions, simply in the top of the method, at the rate, we can use the Lombok annotation, sneaky throws. Tell me guys, then throws are not required, sneaky throws. You got the point, huh? Generally, checked exceptions we need to handle using throws keyword or try catch blocks. But if you use what sneaky throws, then we no need to use what throws keyword, right? Throws keyword is replacement is what sneaky throws, and here we need to close it. So if you are not closing, we are getting the warnings. Never closed, never closed. That's what guys. At the rate, we need to go for the cleanup. Great what cleanup. Now warning is gone, right? Next one is what at the rate what cleanup. At the rate cleanup means what so it's automatically closed. Yes. Because only 2 points we're talking. Without Lombok, we need to go for the throws keyword. Throws keyword. You don't want to use the throws keyword, then simply we can go for the concept is what? Sneaky throws, right? Guys, we need to go for the concept is what sneaky throws. Second one is what we need to close manually. Manually, we need to close, guys. Without closing this, how can we do that? Without closing this, we can go for one annotation like cleanup annotation, added cleanup annotation, right? That is the purpose of what two annotation we are discussing: sneaky throws and cleanup, right? Sneaky throws is a just basic, like instead of what throws keyword. Cleanup annotation what instead of your closing, cleanup means what? It's automatically closed. Okay, this is automatically what close, right? That is sneaky throws and what at the rate cleanup, like sneaky throws and cleanup, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear? That's it. Are you clear? Guys, last class what annotation you done? Tell me. First class. What the first class we are talking? Setters and getters. We are adding just only setters and getters. Second class we are going for the all argument constructor and two string. All argument constructor and what? Two string. And even we add the setters and getters also. Setters and getters to create the object, no argument constructor required. That's what no argument constructor also used. Second class. Third class, has set example. Has set data is taking the duplicates. You want duplicates without duplicates, without duplicates. Then we need to override equals under hash code. Equals method means check the data. Hash code means return the hash code, right? Returns what? Hash code. The next one is what required argument constructor. What required argument. I told right mandatory values we have to go for the required argument constructor. Then what you are going for non null, right? Exactly. And today class will go for what cleanup. Cleanup means what you no need to close it. Just in front of the resource you may just make the code like cleanup. Next one is what sneaky throws. Instead of we are throwing method level, we can use the throws keyword. Method level only we are going for the throws, right? Method only can throws. That's what top of the method you can make the annotation is what sneaky throws, right? Exactly. Guys, one, two, three, four, five. Five classes we done. One last class I will take one more class. That is called at the rate data annotation. If everything is discussed in one video, you'll confuse them. That's what you are making like setters one video, constructor one video, equals hash code one video. You'll get some idea, clear idea. Required argument constructor one video, cleanup and sneaky throws one video, and last class you're going for the data annotation. This is the final annotation, yes, data. So these are all annotations almost we discussed 10, 10 or more. 1, 2, 3, 3 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 annotations, guys. Clear? Enough. More than 10 is good. Clear? That's it. My next class will meet and we will discuss about what at data annotation. We will finish the long walk. We'll finish the long walk. Thank you guys. Like the video, comment the video, share the video because today climate is very cold. Everyone share the video. Maybe by the time of watching the video may be hot, but today is very cold. Clear? Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye. Online people, please join one more time.